Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Well, today we're going to do a sit-down video because I have intermittent rain and thunderstorms outside. I was going to work on the truck. It was going to be a cool video replacing the hub assembly, but not with rain and mush on the ground. It's just not safe. I was going to do a video outside. All of a sudden it started pouring rain. So, okay, not going to happen. Plus, I'm not very fit today. Not going to be all doom and gloom, so I'll keep that brief. But we had the mother of all lightning storms last night. Flash, flash, flash so much, it was almost bright light, constant. And the wind was brutal out in the neighborhood. Trees are down. And just put it briefly, I didn't sleep very much at all. So, I'm not going to be doing much out there with the thunderstorms, the rain, and the lack of sleep. And that's it. So perfect day to explain some things. I wanted to do this video over by the sand pile, but the wind is too strong out there and it's just not going to happen. You wouldn't be able to hear, you'd see my mouth going, but that's about it. Anyway, I want to explain some things. I've been doing some different things with my channel recently, and I'm going to mix it up a bit. Those of you who only want homesteading videos, look at the title. If you don't like the video, you don't have to watch it. Nobody's forcing you to watch it. But please give me a thumbs up on every video you watch. If it's not something you don't want to watch, just stay away. Look at the title. If you don't want gold panning videos, then stay away from the gold panning videos. But because the YouTube algorithms have changed, my channel has shrunk. I'm going to be doing a variety of things to lure in people from different areas to boost my channel overall and build it back to where it used to be. Plus, I want to pan for gold. It's fun. It's family fun. And that reminds me, don't assume because I'm out on a weekend with my family fishing and panning for gold at the lake that I'm a fat, lazy slob. I know I got a little bit more on there, but anyway, I work almost 7 days a week. I'm not going to tell you what I do because there's certain people that, well, let's leave it at that. But let's just say I'm busy, quite busy all the time. And anybody that does homesteading, they know that homesteading is a full-time job in itself, but homesteaders also know that you got to work to keep it going. Because unless your homestead is producing an income on its own, which it takes years to get going, you still got to have work. So I am working. I got money coming in from outside sources. And that's not the point of this video. I am going to start doing more with gold panning because I find it fun. And we all three of us, it's so cool. When a family meshes together so well like ours, it is amazing. We go out to the beach, all three of us, me and Melanie and Michelle. We love to pick up pretty stones. We all love it. We're obsessed with it. And it's a really good, fun family get-together and a release from the stress of the week. So we will be doing that. We will be going to new towns and visiting new places, and all three of us love it. It's a blast. So that will be an ongoing thing. But the gold panning ties into my homestead in one big thing. And this is why I'm doing this. The big picture. Out there in that hole, you remember I wanted to start a food cellar, underground food cellar, which I eventually do want to do. But I realized shoveling by hand is just not going to happen. And then as you're going, each time it rains, it caves it back in. It's not something you can just sit there and do with a shovel, and then the rain fills it in, and you're shoveling, and then the rain fills it in. Endless cycle. That's not happening. When I get the tractor done, I'll finish that. But there is some gold in that sand. So I thought, there's some beautiful, nearly polished stones all through our property at about 1 foot to 1.5 foot depth level. I always, whenever I dig a post hole or dig a hole for anything, I always find these nearly polished, rounded, beautiful, semi-precious gemstones or collectible minerals all through this land, all through this area of Michigan, because of the glacier deposits. There's, from my understanding, the wells are about 75 foot deep here. That's where you hit the bedrock. So there's probably about 75 and varies up to 200 feet of sand and glacier deposits with rocks, minerals, sand, black sands, and gold. Well, I figured, well, I'm going to dig it anyway. I might as well get the gold, get the black sands for my electronics lab, because I don't happen to have anything to show you. I have a coil. If you're building generator coils and generators, I watched a video one time, and a guy took black sands, magnetic black sands, and he mixed it with glue, and he made a core for his generator coil. And that stuck with me. I saw that years and years ago. So that has a use. It's also used in sandblasting and abrasives, and because mine is garnet, and it's slightly magnetic, there's also magnetic sands, but there's garnet sand. That can be sold on Etsy for crafting and on eBay. So there's multiple things I can do with the sand I'm going to dig out of a hole to store my food in. It's good. Rock polishing, large stones go to Melanie for her landscaping and borders, and I should do another walk around video because she's really expanding this here. But she gets the large ones and everything. And in the sand, the pure white filtered sand that comes out is the ultimate beach sand. So there's a market for that too. So every single thing I pull out of that hole, literally every single thing that comes out of that hole, has a marketable value. What do you do when you're on a homestead? You try to make a living from your homestead in some way. So while I'm digging a hole for my homestead, I'm going to run that stuff, filter it out into its various individual materials, and sell it. We're also going to build a pond out here. That's why I originally bought that tractor. And I want to get that tractor, the front loader, going. And when we dig the pond, I'm going to run all that through a machine that I'm going to build here on the home. So coming videos will include, I got some cool homesteading preservation ideas. I'm going to restore or bring back my tactical channel, electronics channel. I'm going full blast into videos again. But also, it's going to include, I'm going to build a sluice box, a small one for finishing some stuff. I have a black sand video I haven't finished yet, and I want to build a box for that. I'm going to build a highbanker, which is a massive sluice box with a big hopper on the top, so I can scoop up the soil out of my ground here with my front loader is like a half yard. When I'm digging my pond or my food cellar, scoop up, go over, dump it in the machine, and let it do its job while I'm just digging a hole in the ground for a pond. That's going to be automated. So for some of you, those are going to be really exciting videos. You will notice in my daily videos, I'll write daily vlog. It'll be in the thumbnail and in the title for those of you who only want my daily videos. For the gold panning and prospecting type videos and anything that are out there and don't pertain to my daily videos that some of you don't want to see and some of you complain about, it won't have that. So you don't have to watch everything I put out. Please, though, don't be complaining about it. This is my channel, my life, and I'm doing this for fun. And a lot of you love it. The majority of you love it. It's just a few that don't. So you can pick and choose what you watch based on whether it says daily vlog, homesteading videos. Come on in, watch it. If you don't want that, it won't have that included. You don't have to watch it. I repeat myself a lot because I know people skip around and then ask me questions of something I said. So I know that happens. I repeat a lot. But I've learned to do that because of YouTube, because of skipping. We got some food preservation videos. Our garden is kicking out the food. And I've got some really cool videos I want to do with Melanie and preserving some of the foods we have and some unique ideas. Also with the tactical channel, I want to do some videos based on current events and things I've noticed around. Well, I don't want to give you too much information out there, but I'm going to revive the tactical channel and start talking about some things. Of course, my electronics, I have a lot I want to finish. I was scattered for quite a few months. We lost our store. It's gone. It's dead. We're shutting it down. We're clearancing everything, getting rid of everything, and we're not going to do it anymore. I can't say why, because YouTube will block my video, but current events have caused the demise of our store. That's, I guess, the safest way I can put it. So it's done, and so be it. So that pretty much covers what I want to say. I can't think of, just check it out. Don't complain about something I do that's not what you think I should be doing, because I do what I want to do for fun, because it's my channel and it is for fun now. It's not paying the bills and I'm having fun. I hope you have fun along with me. I hope a lot of you and most of you will enjoy the videos. I have machines and equipment I'm working on, and that always has been part of my homesteading. I've got big old sluice boxes and things I'm going to be building that will be labeled separately. But it's all my channel. Let's have fun together. Give me a thumbs up, guys. Like this video. Help me boost my stats. And I think that based on the amount of thumbs up and amount of comments, I'm only getting right now 800 to 1,000 views out of 138,000 subscribers. I'm only getting a tiny fraction of them are even getting notifications. And friends of mine have actually told me I don't get notifications. So what I think's going on is YouTube looks at all my ratings and combines it together and decides how many of my viewers should get notifications and how many people should randomly see my video in the search results or in the homepage. I'm working on improving that, but you can help me. Leave a comment, even if you say, hey, nice day, how you doing? Or call me an idiot. I'll let it sit there. I don't care right now. I'll take whatever you throw at me. Thinking about unbanning all the block channels and let it unleash their fury on my channel. And anyway, give me a thumbs up, like this video, share it. I hope you'll be with me. I hope we're going to have a lot of fun together this summer. Let me get this up. This is going to be today's video. See you there.